Top seller. Unlocking the secrets of best-selling products. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning journey. We're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase top seller. This term pops up everywhere, from online stores to book rankings. But what does it really signify? Let's find out together. The phrase top seller refers to a product or service that has sold the highest quantity within a particular marketplace or category. It's the item that customers have purchased more than any other. When you hear that something is a top seller, it means it's extremely popular and in high demand. Now let's see top seller in action. If you're at a bookstore and see a sign for top sellers, these are the books flying off the shelves. Online, items with a top seller badge are those that have been hit purchases. In business discussions, a top seller often sets the standard for success and is used as a benchmark for other products. Understanding phrases like top seller is crucial, not just for business English, but for everyday conversations too. It can help you make informed decisions as a consumer and keep you in the loop in discussions about market trends and successful products. Let's put our phrase to use. Here are some examples. This model of smartphone is the top seller in its category. Our bakery's top seller is the classic chocolate chip cookie. She wrote a top seller book on digital marketing last year. And that's a wrap on top sellers. I hope this video has shed light on this common phrase and you feel confident using it in your own conversations. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, learning English is not just about grammar, it's about understanding the nuances that make you a better communicator. See you in the next video.